looking for a smooth move at a price that's so right, and you want your moving day to feel extra light. From start to finish, we'll be the ones there. With ProStar moving, there's no worries or cares. No worry, no cares. ProStar moving, we're your movers and we're here. Now we're here. Let us do your move and make it smooth far on here. We'll pack it up, we'll lug it around. It's a guarantee we won't let you down. With ProStar moving. With ProStar moving, there's no need to stress, even if the house is a mess, because our team is strong, our team goes long. With ProStar moving, you'll have a stress-free day.